Welcome to Vridhi Finance, and we are presenting P.E.Analytics Limited SME IPO by Vridhi Finance. Dear investors and viewers, we are going to talk about that. Apart from that, we have promised you a lot about the company, that we will work on crypto blush. We will work on so many things, but I think crypto blush will be not. We are going to shut down that because look, if we are going to start crypto blush, there are 308 coins currently into the market as of now. 308. Every day we will make a 308 videos for every crypto coins. No, so here is there are a number of things into the market. Indian strategy needs to be get stabilized over on this crypto market, because everywhere is there are number of frauds are occurring. Yes, it is happen in case of banks also. In the past, if you see, there are a number of frauds are there in the banks. I think every 2 years we will see thousands of not bad loan is one of the biggest asset where bank getting fraud and bank shutter down, and then investors lose the money. So it's not big deal. In case of coins, really people are hyper who's commenting like that, because if you see how many banks has been did a merger, how many banks has lose the money of investors under nonsense people. So that's the reason anyways, because crypto coin we can say over here, because government has banned that we can't call as a currency, it's a coin. So anyways, so if you see how many banks really do cheat their investors one another way, while giving bad loans to such a people who doesn't return. And there are a number of, even the India's biggest bank has also have this kind of things into the market. If you see, the people has bankrupt, they don't return their loan, and there are how many banks have allegations against such a businessmen who has dupes investors money rather than their own money. They have took loan from the bank, and then have you seen the bank has really returned. Recently there is one bank has launched their IPO into the market, and if you see when that bank has declared as a bankrupt, that moment how many investors loses their money, how much it has been recovered. So people just telling that the coin is one of the fraud. Yes, absolutely, anything comes to market have this kind of strategy. People had a bad mouth against that. Yes, it is up to certain limit, it's true also, we are not ignoring that. But according to us, if everything is bad, probably there are number of top tier business school has conducting so-called courses about it. If it is not true, then why there is courses available into the market? Just answer into the comment box so we can come across what is your view on crypto coins we can say. Because if we will say currency, then again somebody will make point that is not a currency. Okay, so that's the reason we have stopped right now about the crypto blush. And yes, absolutely, people are there as like shares happening. Okay, as like shares are into the market. What are the ways shares get into the market, how they got listed, after got listing, how they has show ups and downs, and who do that. It's the similar process in case of crypto. If you go and check out from your end, So we will not reveal anything right now. Here is about, we are going to talk about P.E.Analytics Limited. Their clients are Blackstone, Brookfield, ADIA, South Asian Real Estate Group, Apollo, KKR, Watson Capital, Rising Straight Capital, Piramal Capital, Kotak Private Equity, Sun Area, HDFC, and Earthveda. They're from the banking sector, where bank and financial institute, whatever we have covered, those are from private equity funds, okay? And in case of bank and financial institutes, HSBC, HDFC, Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, DBS, ICICI Bank, Standard Chartered, SBI Capital Securities, JP Morgan, Bajaj Finserv, IDFC, Axis, PNB Housing Finance Limited, Reliance Home Finance Finance, Aditya Birla Finance, and Tata Capital. Believe me, I think so. They have captured all banks from private sectors, and they have captured top category banks as well as top FIs, including Bajaj Finance, where the real estate developers are Godrej Properties, TLF, L&T Realty, IREOs, Shobha, Shriram Properties. Then here is Lodha, Prestige Estate, Kalpataru, Vadhva Group, Embassy, Mantri Realty, Omkar Realty, Tata Housing, Purvankara, Mahindra Lifespace, and Housing of Hiranandani. So these are India's metro-based top realtors. They are the clients of this P.E.Analytics Limited. Okay, so here is, we are going to talk about what exactly they do. The proprietary database covers pan-India footprints across 44 cities, real estate data covering more than 180 points over 13 years and over 156 months in India. Months database. We have coverage 42,000 developers, over 136,000 projects in India, and over 97 lakhs units. While transparency of real estate market and available information varies greatly by cities and market, team at P.E.Analytics work hard to capture relevant information, possible accuracy in data collection in opaque real estate markets such as India is a function of team competency and the size of methodology coverage. And most important investment, P.E.Analytics is already made investments of the highest scale in terms of capital resources to ensure the quality of intelligence and richness of a client is accurate, decisive, and directional. Courage. At the heart of our approach, proprietary data collection and control methodology, we have averaged 14 resources of data collection, constant verification, stringent quality control for every data points listed on the website. We ensure our client receive accurate and timely information. This match our approach enables us to provide substantial support to our clients, offering critical advantage face constantly changing and volatility realty markets. P.E.Analytics provide comprehensive and extensive real estate data at national and subnational regional level, representing over 1,300 13,600 project across 44 cities covering 42,000 developers. We add approximately 300 project every month. Our client can have access most of the up-to-date data, comparison property data in handy printed format. The key USP, the data that is on subscription. The client gain access to 200 months proprietary catalogs data, ad generation and historical trend, predictive analytics coverage, and variable includes. So supply demand dynamics, we are going to talk about. There's a vacancy trend for organization assets class, supply in city, rental value trend, organizing assets class, supply segment classified between anchor and vanilla tenant, price movement of proprietary over the various period, capital value trend for organized assets class segment, highlighting upcoming proposed organized assets class development across cities. So this is all about there. Apart from that, they have what they are into: commercial, residential and real sector, capturing, analyzing supply and absorption data in every price point for every project, micro market and city, establish realistic valuation and greater transparency, standardized disclosure, gain access to accurate market for objective fact-based decision making, access developer credibility and track record, mitigate risk through fact based on due diligence, gain knowledge, private equity deals, city demographic, law and regulation, auction and tenders, map, locate, analyze project with updated photographs on Google Map, view project under various stages of development and completion of computing, execution delays, compute unsold supply in any city or micro market, and view residential diagnostic, tablet cumulative residential commercial supply, city project specific supply absorption and price trend, vacancy trend, rental trend, yield and total returns, generate existing stock historical forecast, supply list sales transaction, and gain knowledge of a buyer profile for commercial intelligence. Our key beneficiaries including real estate, private equity fund, developers, REITs, and retail industry, banks and HNIs institute, other industries related to construction and real estate who need real-time primary research and data pertaining to real estate industry. So this their functionality, and we have a significant portion of revenue from certain key client. Accordingly, significant percentage of our future revenue is depends upon the continuation of our relationship with this client. Fiscal year 2019, 2020 and 2021 revenue generated from our top 5 client amount is 272.73 lakhs, 257.05 lakh and 420.61 lakhs respectively, amount accounting for 18.31%, 16.45% and 25.35% respectively. Our revenue operations is the same period. Our ability to maintain close relationship with this and other major client essential to growth profitability of our business and service we provide to our client. Revenue from the service may decline or vary as type and quantity service the client require change over time. So do you understand? If you see the map of your tenant over any website. So this is basically, this company is engaging in the real estate intelligence and an analytics platform on B2B business model, various such as a developer, construction industry, investor banking, housing finance companies, equity research firm, real estate, PE funds, REIT, financial institute, mortgage insurance, HNI, lenders, investors, and real estate. Due to the company's depth research, authentic database, years and experience, and biased, credible data, the company has quickly transform itself into India's most comprehensive business intelligence platform for real estate in India. Our company provides authentic real estate data, analytics, and market research report in various format and pricing on annual subscription basis, ad hoc reports as per the requirement user. Our principal business lines are characterized by the market leading position, high barriers entry, pan-India footprints, and potential long-term growth. In order to capitalize opportunity available with us to us and driving long-term value, key fact for our 212 full employees on 31st Jan 2022. So they have already given what they are into the business and how they do the business, what are their client portfolio is there. And guys, absolutely this company has really did it well, but it is a little bit long term. So we are going to talk about this company detail. The company has started in January 2008 and they are based in Delhi. P.E.Analytics Private Limited to change their name as a public limited on 8th February 2022. They have received the fresh certificate. Their register office D4 Commercial Complex, Paschim Marg, Vasant Vihar, New Delhi 110057. Corporate office is based in plot number 348 Udyog Vihar Phase 2, Gurugram 122016, Haryana. For further information, log on PropEquity.in. P.E.Analytics Limited IPO detail. This IPO has opening date on 22nd March 2022, IPO closing date 25th March 2022, issue type is book build issue, IPO face value 10 rupees per equity share, market IPO prices rupees 111 to 114 per equity shares, and market lot is 1200 shares. Minimum order quantity will be 1200 shares. Listing at NSE and SME. The promoters are Mr. Samir Jasuja. Thank you. Bye. Vridhi Finance. This is the second company which is from the analytics. It's has IPO from the SME segment, as like we have seen in the end of the December, we have seen one of the company which is into the analytics. So I think, believe me, in December we have 2 to 3 probably 2 companies are there launched the IPO from the main board segment. So anyways guys, have a great day. Have a look around our other IPOs detail. And yes, we have a segment for Nasdaq. We are not working on a Nasdaq IPOs right now, as we can see instability everywhere around now. So that's the reason. Probably we get a stability somewhere, then we can work out on all the projects which is lags behind since last 6 months. We have a lot of planning for that, but unfortunately we are not doing anything yet. So hopefully guys, we will launch our projects very soonly. Every time we are hoping only, but it wouldn't work anyways guys. Just wait and watch. Vridhi Finance really going to do something about it, the market, about the capitalist. We always say we want it to be the capitalist into the market, but is it possible? So we will watch out, wait, and yes, patience is a key of success as per everybody says. And yes, absolutely, if you are thinking that right now market is downturn, then just wait and watch our another video, which is going to give you a share target very soonly today by midnight. Have a great day. Happy Wednesday. Bye bye.